What are you getting me for Christmas?
I don't know yet, but every time we do a segment, I'm getting ideas. Do you have any more?
As a matter of fact, I do. I'd like you to check out a store you might not always think about when it comes to some really cool gift ideas.
What store is this?
Take a look. Oh, Todd, I'm looking for Todd Director. Hello, Todd.
Santa Scott, how are you?
Nice to see you. Oh, it's a pleasure. Listen, the elves have been busy in the North Pole making so many things for the sleigh for me to give to the good little boys and girls, but I need some more stuff.
We have tons here.
All right, I'm looking for the 12 days of Christmas. Where do we begin?
Let's start right over here.
Okay.
Take a look at these light bulbs. These are chargeable light bulbs. LED chargeable light bulbs.
Oh, this is great for when Rudolph, in case his nose goes out, he can use this to guide me through the fog. Very good. That's Christmas Day #1. What is in store for #2? Todd, for the second day of Christmas, I see something from Mrs. Claus.
Yeah, this is a liquor dispenser. So it's got an awesome tap on it. Take any type of whatever liquid you want to put in there. Flip the bottle upside down, the stopper in there, and it's just a great piece for the counter.
And it weighs so much. It's a substantial piece. How about for the third day of Christmas?
Let's go this way.
Todd, what do we have here?
These are American-made wall signs.
I love these. I can get these for each of the reindeer. Is there one for me?
Oh, definitely.
Hey, wait a minute. That's not funny. How about the fourth day of Christmas? Oh, Todd, people could use this to keep the Grinch out of their homes.
Absolutely. This is a Schlage keyless entry. We stock it in many different styles and finishes, but again, just a great product for the holidays.
And this would fit perfectly into the sled. Now, on the fifth day of Christmas, what do you have for me?
Come on this way.
For the fifth day of Christmas, what about these wonderful things?
So again, these are really fun, different home accents that people just absolutely love, because again, you just don't see these things anywhere else.
I could see this in my bedroom and this in the foyer. Oh, that's wonderful for the fifth day of Christmas. Now we're moving on to the sixth day of Christmas.
Let's go this way.
Ho, 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 finials, Todd. I love them. Tell us more.
Yeah, again, these are finials for the top of lamps, for the music lover to the animal lover, all different types that represent.
If you can't find a finial here, then you can't find a finial anywhere. All right, let's move on to the seventh day of Christmas, shall we? Oh, Todd, these are some of Santa's biggest fans, and they're mini. Tell me about them.
Again, really cool fans from Fanimation. As you can see, they're really nice style, small footprint. They put out a ton of air. And if you're not interested in these styles, we have many other small fans to choose from.
These are perfect to blow dry Santa's beard when it gets wet from the fog as I travel through the night. On to Christmas Day #8. Ho, 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 Todd, I need a nest for my 2 turtle doves.
This isn't that type of Nest. This is a company called Nest.
Oh.
They sell thermostats, cameras, smoke detectors, all for your smart home.
And you can run it from your phone?
You absolutely can, from anywhere in the world, free.
Oh, that's good, because I will be traveling around the world in my sleigh come Christmas Eve. Ho, ho, ho. On to Christmas Day #9. Ho, 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 Todd, what am I looking at here? It looks very complicated to Santa.
No, this is no big deal. This is a Lutron Cassetta starter kit.
Oh.
It's a smart lighting control system, $99. Plug it into your wireless internet, put in a dimmer in the wall, and you're good to go.
That for $99?
$99.
That is perfect. Now it's on to Christmas Day #10. Oh, the bells of Christmas morning ring. Todd, tell me about this.
So these are doorbells,
Yes.
Santa. And if you don't like what we have here for the buttons, you can replace it with a video doorbell.
No way.
Absolutely. Every time somebody gets close to your house, you get a notification to your phone, and it'll tell you that somebody's at the front door, and you can watch them.
Really? So if Snow Miser were to come on my front doorstep, would I see him?
Absolutely.
What about Heat Miser? And on the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Michael Aram. I love these products, Todd.
Awesome stuff. As you can see, there's really something for everyone here. Really nice presentation, no matter what holiday you celebrate. And to make it even better, you know, a really nice presentation with the box that they give it to.
Oh, I won't even have to wrap this. That's perfect. Now, for the 12th day of Christmas, what would my true love bring to me?
The best gift of all, a gift certificate from Connecticut Lighting Centers and Restoration Lighting Gallery.
This, you can get anything for anyone. This is perfect. Well, to all of my good friends, I want to wish you a very happy holiday. From Connecticut Lighting, I've got to head back to the North Pole, Todd. It was good to see you.
Good to see you.
Ho, 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 ho.
I mean, I don't know what to say. But if you would like to check out some of the great gift ideas, they were good gift ideas.
They are awesome. Tell me, you can get me any one of those things.
Okay, so go and see what Connecticut Lighting has to offer. You can shop in the store at both of the locations. They have one in Southington and in Hartford, or you could head to their website.
Yeah, it's ctlighting.com. Happy shopping. And Todd, thank you so much. You make a great sidekick there. All right, coming up.